This is the classical first order differential equation in its standard form. And the good news, it's always been solvable and has a definite solution. Now let's flip perspectives and dive into the powerful idea that makes this solvable and understand the key trick behind it. Integrating factor. Let u of x be something we call an integrating factor, and here is our differential equation. Now multiplying the entire equation by u of x, we get to this, which makes u of x obviously a factor. Now let's grasp the intuition behind what makes it an integrating factor. But before that, we'll have to revisit our old friend, product rule from calculus. And bringing back our multiplied equation and comparing the both, our equation resembles exactly the product rule in some degree, and we can make it to the fullest by choosing u of x, which solves the given equation. And now solving this differential equation by variable separable method, we would arrive at the value of u of x as exponential of integral p of x times dx. Substituting it back into the multiplied equation and rearranging the terms, we would reach the solution for our differential equation, and as it is an indefinite integral, we'll have to add the constant c. Yeah, here we are ready to go. And that's how we arrived at the solution of our differential equation. Try applying this technique in your problem, and most importantly, have fun.